Hi, this is Brett Moulds from Norglass Paints. I just met. haven't
We have.
But I tell you what, what's with all this river stuff? All of a sudden, everyone's pouring rivers.
It's certainly
and-
the latest trend at the moment.
Yeah, why is it so big?
Don't know. It's. I think it originated overseas. It's now in Australia. We're certainly doing all. Norglass is doing all the colorants, the resins, and so forth for these fabulous tables.
Well, we do a student competition, and
Yes.
I can tell you there's a lot of kids that seem to want to make river tables.
Yeah, there are. There are a lot of HSC students right now doing them.
Yeah.
And we're certainly going through quite a few of them.
And what's
at the
different
moment.
about your product?
It's all Australian made. It's all made in Sydney. Australian owned and made.
Because you do other things besides.
Oh, we
pouring
specialise
resin.
in the boat industry for all these timber samples here for all the different substrates.
Okay, so finishes.
All the finishes, the 2-packs, the single-pack urethanes, all of those.
Wow, looks like these guys have got the lot. Why not call by and say hi?
Thank you.
Thanks, Brett.
That's okay.
That's great. I'll just get a little B-roll shot of the